So let us start, Omika. It's 3:15.
Nishidi, are you in?
Yeah,
Okay.
start.
Okay, Navratra, start.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here today.
When you talk Navratra, please switch on your
Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, you are visible.
Yes, of course.
Okay. A very good afternoon to one and all present here today. I am Navratra, your host, one more time, and I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you all here. Especially to my 6th semester seniors, I extend a hearty welcome because this day is dedicated to you. It's difficult to see you go. The college will be stripped bare of the batch who gave it the most amount of love and care. It's hard to bid farewell to a batch so talented. Without you, our college will feel so deserted. It's tough to say goodbye to a batch so valued. In your absence, our college is going to be so subdued. Ladies and gentlemen, after beating the chill with warm emotions and deep reverence and with heavy heart, we all are gathered here at this virtual platform for the farewell program organized by the English Department of Brahmananda Keshav Chandra College to bid adieu to the batch 2018-21. What could be a better start of a farewell program than a small video filled with deep emotions and memories? So here we go to feel the warmth of this event with a wonderful video, for which I would like to request Nishi ma'am to share her screen. Nishi ma'am. Nishi ma'am, I request you to share the video with us. Ma'am, audio.
How come I can't see anything?
I just disconnected it because I was told that you couldn't hear anything. So I'm trying to do it again.
Thank you so much, Nishi ma'am, for sharing this beautiful video with us. Well, I think this video shows that this is going to be a very fun and interesting program for all of us. So without any ado, to go on further with the program, I would like to request our head of the department, Mrs. Ambika Barwa Chaudhary ma'am, to say a few words.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. We all have gathered today to bid farewell to our sixth semester students who are going to leave the college after their successful completion of their upcoming semester. I welcome all my fellow colleagues and students, and of course, my dear outgoing students. Last year onwards, college didn't feel like college at all. We missed the buildings, the classrooms, the blackboard, and of course, our physical presence as well. Since the pandemic began in March 2020, our college campuses were closed and we moved all classes on, and of course, in the virtual settings. So this was the most difficult time. This was the time when students and teachers were, mostly thumbnail images on the flickering screen. And of course, this was the time when faces and emotions were masked and the whole world shrouded in diseases, death, and discord. And finding the word to make sense of all and finding shards of light and, purpose has been all the more challenging. Yes, it's true that our final semester students are not alone. The other two semester students, the current second and fourth semesters are as well, have also faced this adversity with positivity and creativity. But we can't deny the fact that our students have disrupted college no other. This is the badge that we shall not be able to meet when life, returns to normal and we'll be back to our classrooms. So the department thought of arranging a small ceremony to bid our dear outgoing students goodbye, and also to say them that the department will miss you. Saying goodbye is important and hard under normal conditions. But our current context makes it even more important that we intentionally say goodbye and provide our students a kind of opportunity for celebration, for connection, and also give them opportunity to speak out their hearts. End semesters are almost knocking at the door, and given all the examination pressures right now, one may, think that you don't have time to devote to goodbyes and farewell kind of ceremonies. But still, we thought we should make some time and space for our students to name and celebrate their hardships, their accomplishments, their relationships. So we wanted to look back at the times the outgoing batch has been with us. This is what we could actually do at this difficult time. As you all look back on your college days, today is a kind of celebration of your entire journey in college. You all are going to step into the next stage of your life. You completed this part of journey with beautiful memories, and this will surely forever remain in our hearts. Your active participation in different departmental activities is indeed acknowledged. I wish to thank you for your zeal you have shown towards your studies, in your relationship with all the teachers in the department, as well as in the college, your juniors, and even among yourselves. The video right now, which was played at the beginning, that reminded me of all those smiling faces that I used to see every morning at the 10:30 classes. Though now I got used to identify each of my students with their voices since last year. It's true that if we could meet physically, I hope we could share a lot that we have spent together. But I also think that it would be more exciting for you. But anyways, I won't make it much long. I wish you all best of luck as you all set out on the next phase of your lives. May God bless you all. Be healthy and happy. And yes, of course, please stay connected. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Ombika ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, college life is one of the most remarkable and lovable times of an individual's life. For every person, college life has a different meaning. So, moving further with the event, I would like to invite Sneha Kohli of 6th semester English Honors for sharing with us her definition of college life in her own words. Sneha Di, please turn on your mic. We are excited to hear from you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, so I'm Sneha Korle and I'm here to share my experience of college life with you all. It's been 3 long years.
Please,
Today,
turn on
my
your
batch.
video. Sneha,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
want to see you.
Ma'am, actually, I'm having some connectivity issues.
So you can't put your video on.
No, ma'am.
Okay, go on.
Okay, go.
Today, my batch is here for our farewell, and it feels just like yesterday when we had our orientation day in college. We are the first batch of the CBCS system. Syllabus was huge, but the time limited. So after being acquainted to the new system, began our college life. When I say college, a lot of stuff comes to mind. It begins with BKC College Dunlop, room number 212, 4 professors, my classmates, library, Jhilpar, and a lot more. Many known and similar activities seemed so unknown and dissimilar during the pandemic. Though we kept studying and learning, the entire process did not feel the same. Previously, college life was about reaching the classroom on time, sitting together with friends, having textbooks in front of us. The troublemakers getting scolded, eating tiffins together, laughing, pulling each other's legs, creating chaos when no teacher was present, which of course resulted in one of the teachers coming to scold us from the teacher's room, as it was just beside room number 212. During pandemic, college life was all about logging into Skype with no time restrictions, of course. We could come and go as we like. Attending the classes together with our friends, but not sitting together in the same room, just beside each other. And having PDFs in place of textbooks. Before pandemic, even exams had a different meaning. Because of course, getting 30 minutes for attending 10 marks question and then reading an assignment in front of the whole class for another 10 marks was definitely not the same as getting 6 hours for attending 20 marks question and then mailing the PDF. Even the method of teaching changed for our teachers. Like we never got any dictation from Elsie ma'am before the pandemic, but she had dictated notes to us during online classes. And as I talk about dictation, I'm reminded of AB ma'am's dictation. We could never cope up with her speed. Missing a word or two, even sentences, was quite common. I'm sure we would have been able to cope up with her speed if this pandemic didn't happen and things were normal. I never missed an online class for being late, but I've missed a class or two before pandemic for being late, and it happened in NP ma'am's class. We were not allowed to enter the class after her. She was very particular about being punctual. And for SS ma'am, she has always been her sweet self, her method of teaching as unique as herself. Apart from the classes, we were engaged in lots of other activities as well. I guess the wall magazine in front of the teacher's room still has got the little essays on Toni Morrison that our batch wrote. Then we celebrated Shakespeare's birthday, reading famous speeches from his plays. Seminars, poetry reading sessions, even attending other departmental seminars. English department has been one of the most active departments of our college. Amidst every good and bad, old and new, our batch is lucky enough to have been under the guidance of 3 HODs. I've not only learned English literature from my professors, but a lot more than that. Their contribution in shaping me for who I am today and the way I see life will always be remembered. Thank you, LC ma'am, AB ma'am, NP ma'am, and SS ma'am, for everything. I'll miss you all. I'll miss my classmates, all unique in their own way. The memories created together will always be cherished. I didn't get much time or opportunity to interact with my juniors. Anyway, best wishes to you all. I'll end with a goodbye and thanking my teachers again for arranging the farewell even in such difficult times. It was really special. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Neha. It was a beautiful speech indeed. Now I would like to call Diya Baral of second semester English Honours for the recitation of Sanskrit excerpts from Abhigyana Shakuntalam on farewell to Shakuntala. Diya, please come upon the screen.
Thank you, Navratra. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Good afternoon to the August Assembly of Professors and everybody present in this farewell program. I am Diya Boral from second semester English Honours. I would like to recite some excerpts of shlokas from Abhigyana Shakuntalam with its English meaning. Abhigyana Shakuntalam is written by the most famous Sanskrit poet Kalidasa in the fourth act of the play when Shakuntala was bidding adieu to
আরে আমি ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে গেছি। আমার আমার ইন্টারনেটটা কি হয়েছে আমি বুঝতে পারছি না। তুই কাউকে একটা স্ক্রিন রেকর্ড করতে বলতো, কোনো একটা স্টুডেন্টকে, ওরা করতে পারবে। তো গ্রুপে লেখ, আমি জয়েন করার চেষ্টা করছি। হ্যাঁ বল বল বল। হুম, হুম।
I stands for an entertainment. I was the main content. I stands for an actor. I was just a behavior. I stands for character. I was just a factor. I stands for an object. I was always the betrayed subject. I stands for an ambition to lead the way of creation, to undergo all the major transformations, to rule the state of perfection. I am an actor whose payment is not the factor, whose aim is to become the behavior of all the existing characters. I stands for me, a medium for free, a time pass for free, an amusement for free. I am me, a perfection for free. That's it.
Thank you, Ayan Bhaiya. Now it's time for another speech full of emotions and blessings. I would like to request Mrs. Suchira Sarkar ma'am to come upon the screen and say a few words. Ma'am, you're not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Am I audible now? Navratra?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you're audible now.
Dear going students, it was 3 years back that you arrived with your bright expectant faces. A new batch, challenge as well to us, to me, just like Lisa. You are the first batch of a new system, which was altogether unknown. There was a need to change the teaching method altogether. And I was really very scared whether I will be able to. And yes, by now, after the 6 semesters are over, that I have not been able to do either syllabus or to you, I feel apologetic. But of course, I will need some more time to adapt with this new system. But a wonderful batch. And almost 1.5 years have lapsed that we haven't met you. I haven't seen you. I met my colleagues. All of us miss you, miss the college, the classroom, the bubbling, enthusiastic your company, the green, youthful ones that keep us youthful. Your very company keeps us youthful. But these 3 years, how quickly it passed. And of course, this pandemic has taught us a lot. Definitely, along with our syllabus and all sorts of co-curricular activities that you learned from this college. At the same time, along with everything, you learn how to face and overcome adversity. That's a great lesson of life that fortunately or unfortunately you learned. Well, all of us learned. Definitely, this is going to help you in future. Will be able very confidently to face all sorts of adversities. And the second hurdle, first hurdle for me at least, speak from my teacher's point of view, was the new system, new syllabus, and now this 2020 March onwards, this online class. I'm a person so innocent about everything cyber. I was really very scared. This time, really scared. I took a long time install these apps, this Skype, etc., Skype, Google, etc., and I was quite late to start these online classes. Anyway, you have taught me because you are the senior most batch then. You taught me how to cope with this new system of teaching. So I'm thankful to you for this as well. But your company was wonderful. So many able, talented, quite a number of poets, singers, dancers, actors. Projita, I think, is not here today. I don't know why. Shumita, Procheta, they dance well. Ongida, Ritika, it's useless naming. Well, you know that. But being in your company was wonderful. So spirit enthusiastic a batch. I've just completed one phase of your life. And one now, after you appear for examination, you are prepared for next stage. Hope this phase in Brahmananda Krishnap College was pleasant. Of course, life is an admixture of pleasure and pain. Remember, right? So, hope the pleasure had it had a greater ratio. Your cup was filled, more pleasure than pain here. And my blessings, my best wishes for the future. That will be at least 99% pleasure and 1% of pain, not more. So, confident, face adversity, tide over it, and be successful in life. Use whatever you have learned here, definitely your life ahead, your next stage of career, and then whatever comes next will be full of bliss. All my blessings, all my best wishes go with you. But you will be there in our memory, in our sweet memory always. And do keep in touch. Wherever you go, whatever you achieve, please let us know. So I long to see your bright faces once again. May the day on which you will be given the mark sheet, perhaps all of you will be there. You will meet. So please let me at least let know. I would like to go to the college and meet you. Just like all of you, I too am missing the building, the playground, the lake, everything, and the greenery. So, the groups, the youthful ones, march ahead. All my blessings for you. Okay. And of course, my love to all the students present here today, belonging to all the semesters, second semester, fourth semester, and the outgoing sixth semester. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, as I have already told you that this program is going to be an unforgettable afternoon for all of us. So, for adding a different flavor to the program, a tabla recital is on the way. Yes, now I would like to. No, I would love to invite Shubhan Datta of 6th semester English Honours for a wonderful tabla recital. Shubhan Bhaiya, please come upon the screen.
Sound is okay.
Yes, sound is okay.
Thank you, Navaratra. First of all, my heartiest pranam to all of my professors. They are not only my professor, they are similar to my parents. So today I am very happy to perform here. Not only this, but also I would like to pay tribute by playing tabla solo recital. Okay, sorry for time. Today I am playing tabla solo on the Teen Tal and with the Sankara Raga. Namaskar. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shubhan Bhaiya, for this outstanding rendition. Now I would like to invite Yasha Kanra of 6th semester English Honours for the recitation of her poetry, Farewell, and a reminiscence talk. Yasha Di, please come up on the screen.
Am I audible, Navratra?
Yes.
Thank you. Very good afternoon, everyone. As Bill King once said, that the journey is more important than the destination because there is so much more in between. I don't know where to start and how to stop. As if 3 years passed in a blink of eye. I can recall the very first day we stepped in 212. From then till now, our college never bored us. Our college never gave us a chance to complain. And it doesn't matter how long I speak today of my experience with my college, it will never be enough. Anything I speak today will be less. So it's better for me not to try. However, at this very end, when it's time to wave a goodbye, I have something to recite. Farewell. Dear college, I'm sorry, but I'm feeling a knot in my gut. Maybe because I have to go. 3 years with you were blissful, but now evaporated. The benches have lost our touches. The blackboard has lost our sides. The classroom has lost our size. There is an echo of memory passing by on the walls. Even the projector calls a cry. The library, though noiseless now, will be silent hereafter. The staircase will have the vestiges of our presence. Time is fairly unfair. The first class with HOD, the first attended seminar, the first adult novel, the first falling for freedom, and the Bonhomie campus, the lunch break, the cultural celebration, the groupies, the shared feelings, the cigarette butts, and all the nostalgia. Everything left me goosebumps. Every single detail is overlapping in my memory. But now time's up. Time is very, very up. And it's the 11th hour, bidding the farewell to us, giving a monosyllabic recognition. That is of age. Time is volatile. Exam in every trimester, the overnight study, the fight for SCPA, the paper presentation, the wall magazine, the fine departments, the same professors, the homely vibe with classmates, the badly missed bench partners, the hectic days and the tired homecoming. Everything was hunky-dory. Tears rolling down the cheeks, heart is falling apart. Frame is overflowing with faces, memories throbbing in the chest. And now, willy-nilly, the very end has come to pass, the inevitable end. That snatched the golden time and let us be no more an active part, but a mere passive, vulnerable past. Nothing more, nothing less. Thank you, Brahmananda Keshav Chandra College. Thank you, English Department and the professors, and wishes to my friends and juniors. Thank you all.
Thank you, Tiyasha Di. Now it's time to hear another melodious voice. I would like to call Angira Chakraborty of 6th semester English Honours to come up with the song Shudhu Java Asha, another beautiful composition of Rabindranath Tagore.
Thank you, Navratra. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Thank you, Navratra, for this beautiful hosting, as well as I want to thank my professors and my mates to belonging with me. And I will miss those past 3 years with my college memories and those beautiful days we have enjoyed. Now I am going to sing a Rabindra Sangeet, which is very relevant with today's farewell occasion. শুধু যাওয়া আশা শুধু স্রোতে
ভাষা শুধু যাওয়া আশা শুধু শ্রুতি ভাষা শুধু যাওয়া শুধু আলো আধারে শুধু আলো আধারে কাঁদা হাসা শুধু যাওয়া আশা শুধু শ্রুতি ভাষা শুধু যাওয়া শুধু দেখা পাওয়া শুধু ছুঁয়ে যাওয়া শুধু দেখা পাওয়া শুধু ছুঁয়ে যাওয়া শুধু দূরে যেতে যেতে কেঁদে যাওয়া শুধু নবদূর আশায় আগে চলে যায় নবদূর আশায় আগে চলে যায় পিছে ফেলে যায় মিছে আশা শুধু যাওয়া আশা শুধু শ্রুতি ভাষা শুধু যাওয়া অশেষ বাসনা লয়ে ভাঙা বল প্রাণপণ কাজে পায় ভাঙা ফল ভাঙা তরি ধরে ভাসে পারাবারে ভাঙা তরি ধরে ভাসে পারাবারে ভাব কেঁদে মারে ভাঙা ভাষা হৃদয়ে হৃদয়ে আধো পরিচয় আধো খানি কথা সঙ্গ নাহি হয় হৃদয়ে হৃদয়ে আধো পরিচয় আধো খানি কথা সঙ্গ নাহি হয় লাজে ভয়ে ত্রাসে আধো বিশ্বাসে লাজে ভয়ে ত্রাসে আধো বিশ্বাসে শুধু আধো খানি ভালোবাসা শুধু যাওয়া আশা শুধু স্রোতে ভাষা শুধু যাওয়া শুধু আলো আধারে শুধু আলো আধারে কাঁদা হাসা শুধু যাওয়া আশা শুধু শ্রুতি ভাষা শুধু যাওয়া thank you so much.
Thank you, Angira Di. Now it's time for a dance performance. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know why, but in all the programs I attend, my favorite part always remains a dance performance. Okay, so for that, I would love to call Shrija Ghosh of 4th semester English Honours to come upon the screen.
Am I visible?
Yes, you're visible and looking pretty.
To dedicate one dance performance to my seniors of 6th semester.
যাও যাও গো একবার যাবার আগে রানী জাগায় রাগে রাঙিয়ে দিয়ে যাও 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 গো এবার যাবার আগে রাঙিয়ে দিয়ে যাও 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 গো এবার যাবার আগে তোমার আপন লাগে তোমার গোপন লাগে তোমার পুরনো হাসি পুরনো রাগে অশ্রু জলের পুরনো রাগে রাঙিয়ে দিয়ে যাও 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 গো এবার যাবার আগে রাঙিয়ে দিয়ে যাও 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 গো এবার যাবার আগে
Thank you, Srijati, for this beautiful performance. Now, I would like to invite Iti Chatterjee of 6th semester English Honours to come up with the song Purano Sei Diner Kotha, a beautiful song by none other than Rabindranath Tagore. Let's welcome her on the screen with a big round of applause as be there seated.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Thank you, Navarat. Good afternoon to all my respected teachers, my dear classmates and my juniors. Today, the last day of our college life. And today I would like to sing Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore's song Purano Sei Diner Kotha. Before I start singing, I would like to say a few words. I have chose this song because this song makes me emotional and reminds me all the beautiful memories I have created throughout my college life with all my respective teachers and with all my dear friends. And these memories will always be memorable in my heart. So now I would like to start singing. পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায় ও সেই চোখে দেখা প্রাণের কথা সেই কি ভোলা যায় পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায় ও সেই চোখে দেখা প্রাণের কথা সেই কি ভোলা যায় আয় আরে একটি বার আয় রে সখা প্রাণের মাঝে আয় মোরা সুখে দুঃখের কথা কব প্রাণ জুড়াবে তার আয় আরে একটি বার আয় রে সখা প্রাণের মাঝে আয় মোরা সুখে দুঃখে কথা কব প্রাণ জুড়াবে তাই মোরা ভোরের বেলা ফুল তুলেছি দুলেছি দোলায় বাজিয়ে বাঁশি গান গেয়েছি বকুলের তলায় আর মাঝে হলো ছাড়া ছাড়ি গেলেন কে কোথায় আবার দেখা যদি হলো সখা প্রাণের মাঝে পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায় ও সেই চোখে দেখা প্রাণের কথা সেই কি ভোলা যায় থ্যাংক ইউ
Thank you, Tithidi. Now I would like to invite Dipanjan Mandal of 2nd semester English Honours one more time to sing his self-composed song.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
I'm back again. And
Welcome back.
humble pranams once again to all the professors.
এতক্ষণ আমরা রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত শুনলাম, সোনু নিগম শুনলাম, এবার একটু টেস্টটা চেঞ্জ করা যাক। এবার হোক প্যারোডি, এবার হোক অঞ্জন দত্তা। আর এর মধ্যে একটা টুইস্ট আছে, অঞ্জন দত্তার সেই গান যেটা সবাই হয়তো গেস করছে, এটা কি 2441139 বেলা বোস তুমি পারছো কি শুনতে। তো এই গানের লিরিক্সটা আমারই এডিট করা, ডেডিকেটেড টু 6th সেমিস্টার স্টুডেন্টস। এখন আমি অন্যান্য গায়ক বা গায়িকা যারা গাইছে বা গাইলেন তাদের মতো ট্রেন্ড সিঙ্গার নই, সো গানের মধ্যে যদি কিছু ভুল ভ্রান্তি থেকে থাকে তার জন্য আগে আমি ক্ষমা প্রার্থী। আমি শুরু করছি আর গান। সেমিস্টারটা হয়ে গেছে ম্যাম শুনছেন, এখন আর কেউ ফোন করে জ্বালাবে না, সার্টিফিকেটটা আপনি এবার দিয়ে দিতেই পারেন, 6M আর কলেজে আসবে না। সেমিস্টারটা হয়ে গেছে স্যার শুনছেন, এখন আর কেউ ফোন করে জ্বালাবে না, সার্টিফিকেটটা আপনি এবার দিয়ে দিতেই পারেন, 6M আর কলেজে আসবে না। সেমিস্টারটা হয়ে গেছে ম্যাম সত্যি, আর মাত্র কয়েকটা দিন ব্যাস, এরপর দেব কম্পিটিটিভ কিংবা করবো মাস্টার্স, চুপ করে কেন ম্যাম কিছু বলছেন না। এটা কি 257758778 প্রফেসররা কি পাচ্ছেন শুনতে, 10-12 বার বিজি পাওয়ার পর কলটা পেয়েছি শেষে, দেব না আর কিছুতেই হারাতে। হ্যালো 257758778 দিন না ডেকে ম্যামকে একটিবার, ব্যাটারি যাচ্ছে কমে এই সস্তার স্মার্টফোনে, জরুরি খুব জরুরি দরকার। স্বপ্ন এবার হয়ে যাবে স্যার সত্যি, এতদিন ধরে এত অপেক্ষার, স্যারেদের কত বকাঝকা খাওয়া, রাত জেগে শুধু পড়াশোনা করা, কত পরীক্ষা কত সেমিস্টার, আর কিছুদিন তারপর ম্যাম মুক্তি, বিকেসির ওই 4 দেওয়ালের ঘর, আঁকি বুকি কাটা বেঞ্চ গুলো আর সাদা রঙের ওই দেওয়ালেই ছিল আমাদের আনন্দেরই ঝড়। এটা কি 257758778 প্রফেসররা কি পাচ্ছেন শুনতে, 10-12 বার বিজি পাওয়ার পর কলটা পেয়েছি শেষে, দেব না আর কিছুতেই হারাতে। হ্যালো 257758778 দিন না ডেকে ম্যামকে একটিবার, ব্যাটারি যাচ্ছে কমে এই সস্তার স্মার্টফোনের, জরুরি খুব জরুরি দরকার। চুপ করে কেন তুই কি বন্ধু ভাবছিস, গ্রাজুয়েট আমরা হয়ে যাব সত্যি, ভেরিফিকেশন সেম ফিস সবই গেছে পেরিয়ে, হ্যালো ম্যাম শুনতে পাচ্ছেন কি, চুপ করে কেন তুই কি বন্ধু কাঁদছিস, কলেজটা ছেড়ে চলে যাব সত্যি, কান্নাকাটি হল্লাহাটির সময় গেছে পেরিয়ে, হ্যালো ম্যাম শুনতে পাচ্ছেন কি। এটা কি 257758778 প্রফেসররা কি পাচ্ছেন শুনতে, 10-12 বার বিজি পাওয়ার পর কলটা পেয়েছি শেষে, দেব না আর কিছুতেই হারাতে। হ্যালো 2577587 দিন না ডেকে ম্যামকে একটিবার। ব্যাটারি যাচ্ছে কমে এই সস্তার স্মার্টফোনে, জরুরি খুব জরুরি দরকার। হ্যালো 2577587 2577587 দুধ চাই 2577587 2577587 2577587 2577587 2577587. Thank you so much, and I want to thank specially to Professor Suchira Sarkar ma'am for your humble help. আমি এই গানটা আপনার সহায়তা ছাড়া হয়তো মঞ্চস্থ করতে পারতাম না, আর আরো যাদের ছাড়া এই গানটা তৈরি করা বা গানটা মঞ্চস্থ করা সম্ভব হতো না, স্বস্তিক চন্দ্র, মধুতি মজুমদার আর অঙ্গিরা চক্রবর্তী দিদি, অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ তোমাদের। না হলে এই গানটাকে আমি মঞ্চস্থ করা প্রায় অসম্ভব হতো। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
Thank you so much once again, Dipanjan. It was amazing. Teaching is not about information. It's about having an honest intellectual relationship with your students. So here we go with another speech defining such beautiful student-teacher relationship. Now I would like to invite Dr. Nishi Pulugurtha ma'am to say a few words. Nishi ma'am, the screen is yours.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these words, can you hear me, and am I audible, am I visible, have become so much a part of our day-to-day living and experiences. This has been a wonderful afternoon.
Nishi, please turn on your video if possible.
Yeah.
We can't see you.
I did. Can't you see me?
I can't. I don't know what about the others.
No, you are not visible.
Yeah.
But I have switched on my video. Maybe it's because I am recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. Okay, please
Never
continue.
mind. Carry on.
Yeah,
Carry on.
because I did, both of them are on, my audio and my video are on, but I think maybe it's because of the recording thing that you cannot see me.
Yes, you have dressed so well, and others won't be able to see you. Okay, never mind. Continue.
Okay, never mind. After I switch off the recording, then I'll put on my
Yeah,
video
Yes,
one
we
again.
can have a group photo also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so everybody stay
we'll
around.
take a group photo. Yeah, we'll take a photo.
Before I go on to say anything, the first thing I would like to say, Dipanjan, that was brilliant. Right, it was really, and I think I speak for everyone, it was too good. Really very good, very well done, very well written. Thank you so much for thinking about it, for coming up with something like that. And I think that is what I would like to talk about here today. And that is the kind of interactions which we've had with our present 6 semesters. I mean, everyone else has spoken about how we had to deal with CBCS and how difficult things have been. And one of the important things I feel about this particular batch is the fact that they're very enthusiastic and energetic. We had just to tell them about certain things, and then everyone would jump into the fray, work to make it possible. We've had rehearsals, we've had practice sessions, we've had everybody working to meet deadlines. So it has really been a very, very, very energetic and enthusiastic batch. And we have lots of hopes pinned on you. And we're sure that you're going to shine in whatever you do. Since last year, I know this has been a very, very difficult time for everyone, not just the 6 semesters, but for everyone, including us, in learning to deal with the present circumstances that we're going in. And each of us have been trying in small little ways, trying to hold on, trying to deal with the situation that we are in. And we would have, in normal circumstances, we could have had this program in college where we would have been possibly in room 212, sitting, talking, even having a shingara at the end, possibly. And unfortunately, because of the pandemic, we are on the online mode. And I think this is one of the reasons why many people could not join us. We are missing quite a number of students for various reasons, and I'm sure that each of them, if they could, would definitely have been a part of this afternoon. I just have a small little thing that I would like to talk about. A small little thing which I felt when I sat down today in the morning to think about, what to speak to you. And this has been a strange time. It has been a difficult time for everyone. You, the 6 semesters, have been away from the college. Not just you, even the 4th and the 2nd semesters have never seen college. And I identify the 6 semesters when they say present ma'am, when their roll number is called out. I identify the 4th semester students by just listening to their voices, but that has not happened with the 2nd semesters as of yet. You have all been away from the college, from the classroom, the blackboards, the wooden benches that had so much written on them by so many people, so many students, past and present. The white walls of the classroom, the green windows that looked out to so much of the green, to those tall trees, to that tree that changed color from green to red and to green again. I don't know if you still remember, but this is the tree that is just behind the cycle stand, opposite the college canteen, near the common room and the unions room. There's another tree just beside it that was colored in a bright yellow, at times brilliantly yellow. It's called the Bador Lathi, the Amaltas. The common room, the carom board, the union room, the huge playground that saw sports of all kinds, where you sat in the winter months with your friends, where you escaped playing truant from classes, where we also caught a glimpse of you bunking your classes, to your presence in the classroom, to the questions that you put, to your silences, to the songs that at times we heard, to the wonderful full-throated singing that many of you did, that delighted all of us, your participation in seminars and lectures, the enthusiasm that you showed as you worked at the Wall magazine, those hectic preparations for the annual student seminar, the rush for just a slice cake and a shingara or a chop at the end, the photographs that we teachers clicked to document, the many more that you clicked that now and forever will remain a part of memory for you and for us as well. The preparations for all college events, the decking up to look your best, the addas by the jheel, the quarrels and disagreements, the crushes and falling in and out of love, the little glances, those furtive looks, the tensions regarding the exams, the waiting for the results, the lining up at the college office, the filling in of forms, the virtual classroom that has now so much become a part of our lives, where we no longer got to see each other, the familiar voices as you recorded your attendance, the present absences. I think that is the best way one could describe our online classes. As you are on the threshold of a new phase of your lives, all the memories of college and much more will remain with you. For years, I hope. I hope that you will make the best of the time that you have, prepare and do well in your examinations. You see, I cannot forget that I am a teacher and I need to give you some advice even at this point of time. And move on to do what you want to do, to fulfill your dreams, to make a mark, to stand up for what is right even when everyone is against you, to speak out against wrongs, to be true and just. Be true to yourselves, dear students. That is what counts at the end. You need to turn into responsible citizens of the world. You have been a fabulous batch, and we hope to see you all shine as you move on. We will always be there for you, to guide you, to give you advice when you seek, when you need. And as everyone has been saying, we need to know what you are doing even after you leave college. So please be connected. Please let us know what you're doing, because we need this for official documentation purpose. And even otherwise, because it is a pleasure to hear from older students, what they are doing, where they have been. So please do keep in touch with your friends, with your classmates, and with us. Unlike before, now there are various ways in which you can keep touch. You can also still see our activities, because we will still be updating the department page, the group on Facebook. So you can still see all our activities, and please feel free to join them whenever you feel like it. Maybe sometime in the near future, when things get a little bit better, maybe we'll see some of you in college. We do have a very active alumni association in the college, and when there are programs in some future time, I hope some of you will come back to relive some of the memories. Stay safe, be careful, do well, shine wherever you go. God bless you. Thank you. I also have something else that I'm supposed to do. And before I just end, I would like to thank everyone who has been a part of this event. I don't want to go into a formal vote of thanks, but I would like to thank each and everyone who has taken time off and joined us. To my colleagues from the other departments who have been part of this event, to all the students, those who have joined us, and to all those who could not join us. Thank you so much for being with us. And after I play the video, after the video is done, I will stop the recording, and then please hang on for a little more time. Navratra, do you want to announce?
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to, but if you have announced, then I think we can share the video directly.
Okay. Um, yeah, so this will take a little time.
We cannot see the video. Yes, Nishidi, the video is not visible.
Okay.
Try
Just a
again.
minute. I'll just try again. Uh, just a minute. I need to switch off my audio, I guess. I'm not getting the share screen option.
আস্তে আস্তে কর
দাঁড়াও, আমি আবার বন্ধ করে করছি।
Take your
এ
আমরা বেসিক্যালি কলেজে ক্লাস করেছি আপনাদের সামনাসামনি ক্লাসরুমে, সেটা 1.5 বছর। এই 1.5 বছর যে গুগল মিটে যে ক্লাসরুম গুলো করেছি, তো এইগুলো সারা জীবনের একটা স্মৃতি হয়ে থাকবে। স্পেশালি যখন কলেজে যেতাম, এবি ম্যামের বকা, লিসা ম্যামের বকা, মানে বেসিক্যালি তো সারাদিন বকা শুনতাম। আবার আপনারা সবাই প্রত্যেকে ভালোবাসতেন। মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি বাড়িতে গিয়ে আমার মা বাবাকে বলি কলেজে 4টে মাস, আমি জানি না স্পেশালি আমাদের বন্ধুদের সাথে যে কাটানো দিনগুলো, আমরা যে আমি অদ্রি সমুজি একসাথে বসতাম এক বেঞ্চে, এবি ম্যাম আমাদেরকে বলতো যে তোমরা একসাথে বসবে না, তোমরা একসাথে বসলেই হাঙ্গামা করবে ক্লাসে, সেই দিনগুলো। তারপর আমাদের যখন প্রেজেন্টেশন হতো, কোনো টিচারের আন্ডারে থাকতাম, এবি ম্যাম হেল্প করতেন, নিশি ম্যাম হেল্প করতেন। তো আমি জানি না, বাট ইট ফিলস লাইক রিটায়ারমেন্ট। মানে যে এত বছর ধরে একটা জায়গায় আছি, এরপর রিটায়ারমেন্ট নিয়ে নিচ্ছি, ইটস কোয়াইট ইমোশনাল ম্যাম। আপনাদেরকে ধন্যবাদ দেওয়ার মতো আমার নেই, বাট ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর এভরিথিং ম্যাম, ফ্রেন্ডস এন্ড এভরিওয়ান, থ্যাংক ইউ।
দেখ না, দেখার দিস
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिकर थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे। बिगड़े हुए इंसान थे, शैतान की संतान थे, लेकिन ब्रदर जो भी कहो, वो यार ही तो जान थे। कॉलेज की कुड़ी से करने आंखें जार के दिन थे, आए जिंदगी में पहले पहले प्यार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे। खरबूजों की मिली सी संगत के अपने वो दिन, ओ जीवन पे नई जवानी की चढ़ी सी रंगत के अपने वो दिन, याद है फिल्मों के पुराने आरडी वो गाने बैंड के कीबोर्ड के क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन।
Thank you, Nishi ma'am, for sharing the video. At all my semester seniors, time has come to say goodbye. We don't know it's all happening why. From the bottom of our heart, separation we hate, but situation is such we have resigned. To us, you have been matchless and unique. If possible, again, your company we will seek. The time that you spent in the college can't.
Navratra, you are not audible, dear.
I think there's some problem with her connection now.
Maybe, yes.
So then, what do we do now?
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yeah, there
Yes.
she is.
Okay, sorry. To us, you have been matchless and unique. If possible, again, your company we will seek. The time that you have spent in the college can't forget. It looks yesterday only we had met. We wish your stature grows very tall. May you get that you desire all. May all your dreams turn into real. To all of us, you remain ideal. Far, far away, wherever you live, stay filled with joy. Lots of blessings we give. Thank you everyone for joining us today in the event and marking this spectacular evening with your glorious presence. My special thanks to all the 6th semester seniors for joining us today and sharing your wonderful experiences with us. Once again, I was your host, Navratra. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Navratra. You really do a good task hosting.
No.
Now, can we have the group photo?
Hang on.
What about the group photo? Can we have it now?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Can it be arranged?
Please room number 2212.
So
Imagine we are in 212.
Everybody, please turn on your video.
আমার ভিডিও অন হচ্ছে না।
কিন্তু তুই এবার ওটা বন্ধ করে দে, রেকর্ডিংটা।
হ্যাঁ, সেটা তো বন্ধ হয়ে গেল, অটোমেটিক্যালি বন্ধ হয়ে গেল, তখন আটকে গেল বলে তো আমি তো করতে পারছি না।
আর আমি না ভিডিও অন করছি না।
কেন?
কিছু হবে না, কর না, ছোটটাই তো আছে।
সে উঠে পড়েছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি, প্রবলেম এইটা।
Students, all of you also please turn on your videos.
আমার ভিডিও I don't know for what reason it's not
তুমি একটা কাজ করো, বেরিয়ে যাও আবার ঢোকো।
কতবার বেরিয়েছে ঢুকবো, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে বেরিয়ে
আরেকবার for the last time.
দাঁড়া আমি
But what about, yes,
রেকর্ডিংটা